To lock apps on Realme GT 7 Pro, first we'll need to open our settings. Then we can move to Security and Privacy, scroll down and find App Lock. When you enter it and you try to activate it for the first time, it will ask you to create a secret password. And we need to enter 6 digits. Then we can enter our security question to recover the password. And now our password is set. We can move to App Lock. Now you can select different apps that you want to lock. You can also use fingerprint to unlock those apps. And then there's the lock tab. And as you can see, my AI Studio is now in the lockdown. So if I try to access this app and it's right here, it will ask me for a password to unlock my phone to actually unlock this app.